Hello, welcome once more back to our tutorial on how to use BizRunTool. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show us how to use the sales module, right? But before I start, let me take us through a brief review or intro on each of the pages. Now we have the profit and loss statement, where you can have a snapshot view of all your products, your total sale, total cost of sales, and profit or loss. Okay, now for this year, as you can see, total sale is this, total cost of sales is this, and then profit and loss is this. Then you can also see the individual details here per product sold, not collectively but per product sold. So we see every one of them based on the product itself, so it gives you a detail. Now this is what you use to study your business to be sure you're on the right track. Whatever you don't see here or any value that seems not to be reporting properly, you check maybe your booklet or wherever you capture your details, or maybe your invoice. And also wherever the summation is not corresponding properly, please do let us know. Okay, so like I said, this is the detailed profit and loss statement. Okay, now you can also filter using this too. Now going upward, we have the monthly sales report, where you have your sales report actually per month. So here we have January for 4 million plus, and here we have February for 2 million plus, and together it gives this. Then going upward, this is where we have where we add our sales. So remember we just bought we just stocked in LG TV and Samsung TV in the inventory. So here we are going to sell 2 LG TVs. Okay, we're going to sell 2 LG TVs. So here we type LG, it comes out, and the system automatically populates it with the sales price. So you now add 2, right? You now add 2 because what we want to sell is 2, and then the system calculates the total. All you now do is select your date of sale, and that's it. You enter your sale. If you come down here, you see that you've sold 2 LG, right? 2 LG. And once you enter the sale, it will take you to the My Sales page, where you see all the sales. And again, you can also filter. As you can see here, you can also filter from January to whatever date you want, right? So it's quite simple. Even if you look at it on the mobile, it's quite simple. Okay, remember I said to use the side menu. Always come here and you're good to go, right? So this is how to use the sales module to capture our sales and allow the system generate profit and loss statement, which of course we can use in banks and all the rest of them to reduce our expense. Thank you. Remember to give us a thumbs up if this tutorial meets your need, and also to subscribe so that as I create more content, you will be notified. Thank you.